You know, these days, so many people have cataracts. Cataracts is clouding of the lens. Why does the lens become cloudy? Because it's not flexible, it's not being used well enough. So what happens these days is people use smartphones where they look so near to the smartphone and they don't look so much at a distance. The lens becomes more round, convex, and is not flat as it needs to be when it looks at a distance. I met one lady in her 60s who was a bird watcher and she never needed glasses. I met another person in his 60s who was sitting in a company and had a wonderful window with mountain view and sea view, and he did not need glasses until they put him in a fancier room where the window was on top and not near him, and in 2 months he needed glasses looking at a computer. We lost our curiosity to look at a distance, so we have to look at a distance every day, and we need to add to it peripheral viewpoint, peripheral view. Look at my book, Vision for Life. Look at my book, Awakening Your Power of Self-Healing, and purchase my webinars, and you would learn exactly how to do it. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.